introduction video showcasing the best quick die change system in action. Before we dive into the mounting process, let's familiarize ourselves with the components of the Serrapid cylinder. First, we'll mount the trail die, followed by the lead die. The trail die will be mounted from the 0 line onwards. Now, let's walk through the regular mounting process step by step. Ensure the air inlet is properly connected to the cylinder. You have two options for the air inlet, through the rotary union or directly into the cylinder. If using the direct inlet, please note that you'll need to plug and unplug it with every die change. Locate the 0 line marked along the cylinder. This line serves as a reference point for aligning the dies during the mounting process. Ensure the stopping pins are engaged along the 0 line. These pins act as a crucial point of reference, ensuring proper positioning of the dies. Additionally, the pins serve as a support point for the dies, withstanding all the force when rotating. Mounting the trail die using the handles provided. Position the trail die on the cylinder, then slide it down and center it until you can see the mushroom top through the keyholes. Activate the air inlet to allow the mushrooms to go through the keyholes of the trail die. Slide up the trail die until it touches the positioning pins, ensuring a gap between the mushroom rod and the die. Activate the air outlet to secure the trail die in place. Rotate the cylinder until the lead die side is visible. Position the lead die on the cylinder using the stopping pins. Then, slightly lower and center it until you can see the mush top through the keyholes. Center the lead die on the cylinder. Activate the air inlet to allow the mushroom to go through the keyholes of the lead die. Slide up the lead die until it touches the trail die, maintaining a gap between the mushroom shank and the die. Activate the air outlet to secure the lead die in place. To dismount the dies, you'll need to follow the steps in reverse order. Now, let's dive into the process of mounting various die size configurations. This scenario arises when the lead die and the trail die differ in size. As illustrated in the diagram, the lead die will always be positioned after and in contact with the trail die, irrespective of their sizes. Same as before, however, in addition, you will need to locate the switch on the side of the cylinder, which you will need to activate later. Align with the 0 line. Ensure they're engaged. Mount the trail die against the stopping pins. Center the trail die and lower it into position. Activate the air inlet to allow the mushrooms to go through the keyholes. Slide up the trail die and secure it. Same as before, until the lead die side is visible. Turn on the air inlet switch to secure the trail die in place while mounting the lead die. Same process as before. Center the lead die and slide it down into position. Only the green mushrooms go up, keeping the trail die perfectly in place with the yellow mushroom down. Slide up the lead die and secure it against the trail die. Secure the lead die in place. And there you have it, the complete mounting process of the Serrapid quick die change system. Now, let's see it in action. To dismount the dies, you'll need to follow the steps in reverse order.